Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is August 4th, 2021, and we're taking out our garlic today. Now, we grew music, and I believe the Russian red, and then we had a variety that we had gotten from the store. So we're going to be taking some out today.
Deep.
So we planted this in the fall last year, and we're using a pitchfork to take our garlic out so that we don't damage the bulbs. Watch. Whoops, our pitchfork came apart. So I do have videos on my channel for how we planted our garlic bulbs in the fall. And we planted ours in a raised bed. We did cover it with straw for the winter time. And I have a video on my channel for how we did that too.
You don't want to pull it by the stem. Damage it.
That smells good. I can smell the garlic fragrance to it. That'd be good with potatoes.
Oh boy, that's a big one.
That's a nice one there. And that
started going.
That one started rotting a little bit.
I don't know if it's rotten or what. Has a monster there. We'll get them dried up.
So we've had a lot of rain this year, and then it dried out for us some. And we normally don't get as much rain continuously like we did. So we had to kind of wait to get our garlic out because everything was so wet.
It's still wet.
Well, yeah, it is still wet at some spots, but yet like other spots are like really dry. Like it would have never even gotten the rain. So there it is. It broke off in there. That one's smaller. So here's the Russian red garlic there. You can see it does have a reddish tint to it, whereas the music, the cloves are all white. Now when you're taking your cloves out, you want to make sure that you go deep enough so that you can get under them and actually push the bulbs out of the ground, because you don't want to pull on the stems because you can damage the stems, and we don't want to do that. So some of this went down pretty deep for us. You can see how deep.
Here you'll see how deep it is.
This one here is.
And this soil compacted since it was there, but it's about 6 inches deep. And you can't just pull it.
So
you got to get under it, because the roots are holding it in there. And then you can see.
Look at the root system.
Spaghetti sauce.
Oh yeah.
Ground down the boot.
I was thinking of the mashed potatoes and garlic, or that one the mashed potatoes, or the potatoes that I make and then you take and put the herbs in with them and your garlic.
Okay. Yeah. As you can see, we're fork.
So you can see how deep here we're going down to make sure that we get under them.
The whole length of it.
So this one here we didn't get out in time. It rotted from all of the rain and the wetness that we had.
Look at the root system.
It still had a root system on it, but it rotted. We have like one clove out of it. The stalk was, I think, pretty much gone. Yeah. But we couldn't get in to do anything. We couldn't get
we left
anything
that one
out.
in for the seed.
Oh, okay. We left that one in for seeds.
So that's the seeds, little garlics there. I remember we...
You can see the root system on this one here, and you can see how wet it is. Everything's still like clumped to it from how wet everything is.
But man, they got the roots. So this one here, we're going to dry and use what we can out of it.
Yeah.
Weird.
So, we got our garlic cloves, the original starts, from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, and they did sell out very quickly. So when I seen that they had their garlic in stock, I did buy it, because I have noticed that stuff does sell out very quickly, like the garlic. So you can see what we got out here. And there's some down here. Now, the Russian purple is definitely smaller for us bulb-wise than what the music did. But, you know, we're still looking forward to trying it. We're going to get these dried, and we're going to save some of the bulbs for planting in the fall time when it's time to plant it again. Yeah, that's a nice one there. That'd be good in stuffed shells too.
Do not dry it in the sun.
Yeah, we're going to be moving this out of the sun. We just laid it out right now here. And we're going to take it over into the shade and get it dried over there. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!